Good evening, viewers. We are now in the central market, Chi Minh City. I would like the viewer to see what's going on inside this new central market. Come and follow. Here we are. We got different. We got Pasta Plaza, which is selling clothes and everything else. And then on this side, a little bit of accessories. And where we are going to is down there, the Asian food market. So we would like to try many different kind of Vietnamese food, especially in the Asian food. Let's going inside. You can for a nice dinner tonight. Many different snail and farm. So many different, from a common snail, a tiger snail, to many different clams and oysters as well. Everything is fresh and prepared on the site. That's something else. And this one, they are a dessert shop. So there's a many different class of Chinese and Vietnamese. Basically made from beans and rice. So here we got different, or many different range hot pot. You can choose from seafood, meat, even beef. The most expensive one is the beef and the seafood here. So this place is keeping the people. So many people, tourists and local survivors, they are all here. Okay, this one, fresh juice section. They call it cover. Mostly they're selling fresh juice, smoothie, and all that kind of stuff. So you can see that a range of different fruit, and maybe then chicken, and then underneath we got ready-made juice and many different kinds of fruit, different type of fruit, and then fresh coconut as well. The bakso style hot pot, as you can see. Okay, this one is a dumpling shop. So you can find many different types of dumplings. Like you can see here, many different types and noodles as well. So this is the type of the food they sell. And this is the full monty of the dumpling and the hot pot. Here you got the lat, not Vietnamese cuisine. This is from the north of Vietnam. Right on the top, and then this very specialty is this kind of food. You got bún chả combo, bún chả Hanoi style, bún and chua. So there's a different type of style culinary. And the one is very similar to Indonesia. Is this one, tom ga mugi, fried chicken rice in a spicy sauce. Okay, this is a dessert. You got ice cream, many different flavor from the durian, including the green tea. You got the green tea in there. So even the sugar cane as well. So this is a different type of ice cream you can find it here. here we are. The Chinese style Peking duck. This is the Peking duck. So basically they cook slowly and then smoke it right away as well. And then here we have the Peking duck dumpling. So that's the dumpling. They're cooking it right now. So everything prepared on the premises. Nothing pre-cooked. They are all done here. That's what this night market all about. Food freshly prepared, fresh ingredient, beautiful taste, beautiful flavor. Nah, ini. Yang mana? Yang mana kira-kira? Yang campur. Ini. For how many people? There's 2 people. 2 people.
Yeah. Coca-Cola.
Free Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Beautiful. This is for 2 people. We order it and we got free Coca-Cola. But the price included. Okay. Here we are ordering the hot pot. The hot pot name is Lau Bo Thai San. Lau Bo Thai San. So basically it's a seafood with pork, mushroom, noodles, fish, and the hot pot itself. There you go. Look at that. It smells very beautiful. Okay. You got the vegetable. You got the shrimp. You got the octopus, oysters, and the pork. You got the mushroom, the Japanese mushroom, meatballs, tofu, dry noodles, which is going to open now. And crisp. So all of this will be going down into the hot pot according to our taste. If you like raw oysters, you can eat it raw or medium cooked. It's up to you, whatever your fancy. And the price for all this is 198 dong or about 200 dong. So that's for all of this, including 2 free Coca-Cola. So, okay, I'll show you how to eat hot pot Vietnamese style. There we are. Okay, first we open this. Here we have 2 different soup kind of ingredient. So this one a little bit more spicy than that one. So if you don't want too spicy, just use this one. Here we got the shiitake mushroom, some herbs, a little bit of carrot vegetable like guac pho, lotus ball. This is a lotus. So it's everything here, including this one is berries, wild berries, Chinese wild berries. So the taste here is pretty much like Chinese influence. Okay, here we are. Here we have the squid head and including the intestine. But it's already clean. Okay, don't worry. When it's put in there, they will be dead and they won't attack you. Okay, so we're gonna put it down there. Put it not too spicy. Stick it down there. Fill it up.